Hello everyone, in this video you are going to learn about Insignia Roku TV black screen with sound fix. How to reset or no picture. Fix 1. Power cycle the TV. Disconnect the power cord from the wall outlet. Leave it unplugged for about 60 seconds. Plug the TV back in and turn it on. Fix 2. Inspect external devices. Disconnect all external devices, that is HDMI cables, gaming consoles, to rule out connection issues. Reconnect them one by one to identify if a specific device is causing the problem. Fix 3. Factory reset the TV. Unplug the TV from the wall. Press and hold the power button on the TV. While holding the power button, plug the TV back in. Keep holding the power button until you see the welcome screen about 10 to 15 seconds. Release the power button when the welcome screen appears. Use any buttons on the TV to find and select factory reset in the settings. Fix 4. Contact Insignia support. If the issue persists after trying the above steps, reach out to Insignia's customer support for further assistance. The link for customer support will be provided in the description. When you click on the link, a web page will be appeared on your screen. When you scroll down, you will get the number and also the emails so that you can mail your issue. Thanks for watching the video. Don't forget to like, comment and share the video. Subscribe to our channel and don't forget to hit the bell icon for upcoming videos.